First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine and this is the location for the engine air filter. Notice there are two brackets, one right here and one right there, and we'll need to put both of those brackets down. With both the brackets down, now we will grab the top cover and then slide it towards right side. We will lift up the top cover first, then slide it towards right side, and there you would see the location for the filter right there. We'll grab the filter and then pull it outwards, just like that. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that the curved portion actually stays at the top and the other portion like that is at the bottom. So I'm just going to punch in the filter back where we took it out from. We will make sure it's completely in from all over the angle, and it seems like it is. With that, we are good to put down the top cover. Notice towards the engine side there is a tab right there along with one position, and from behind notice there is one more tab with one more position. So what we have to do here is we have to make sure that the top cover is slided towards left side. We'll grab the top cover and then slightly push it towards left side so that both the tabs are in position. Just like that, it seems like both the tabs are slided in. Making sure from behind as well, seems like the tab is completely in. Now we'll come at the other side and put back both of the clips. I would recommend holding on to it from the top, then punching in both the brackets one by one. One bracket is in. Second bracket is also in place. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.